Hey students, again welcome back to my channel ExactCT. Sorry for the late update. So today we had our IELTS test and this video is regarding the review of morning slot, that is 12th August 2021 real IELTS test complete review. And here we are going to discuss about the LRW section of morning slot. So first we'll see regarding the listening module. Overall the listening module was easy, but in the third part the MCQs was little bit tricky. In part 1 they got fill up type of question that was no more than 2 words and it was easy, and in part 2 they got short MCQs along with the table completion and it was also easy, and in part 3 they got large MCQ type of question. It was in moderate level, little bit tricky than the other parts, and in last part again they got fill up type of question and it was also easy. So overall the listening module was in easy level only, and as we predicted, same like we predicted only. And regarding the reading module, so overall level was easy only, or easy to moderate we can say, and the passage one was related to non-pesticide management of crops in India, and this passage is already available in Makar volume 2, and the question type was true false not given type of question and fill up type of question that was up to 2 words. So this passage was easy only. In passage 2 the passage was related to underwater archaeological, and they got the questions like match the information type of question, that was which paragraph contain these information. Along with that they got MCQs and selection of letter type of question. So this passage was also easy to moderate. And the last passage that was related to twins research work, and they got the questions like MCQs, yes no not given type of question and fill up type of question, that was in the form of not completion. So the students told that the MCQ type of question was little bit tricky. Other than that the passages were easy only. So regarding the task 1 of writing, they got pie charts as we predicted, same like we predicted only. They got pie charts and the question was related to coffee production, consumption and profit. So it was related to the coffee production, consumption and profit. They were pie charts. So regarding the task 2, as we predicted, it was discussion with opinion type of question, and that means you want to add the third body paragraph 2 with your opinion. So I will show you the question here. Some people think the increasing business and cultural contact between countries bring many positive effects. Others say it causes the loss of national identities. Discuss both these views and give your own opinion. That means about the international cooperation. So some people believe that the increasing business and cultural contact between the countries bring positive effects. Some believe that it have a negative effect. Then you can write your own opinion too. So here you can see one model answer. So it's better to divide your body paragraph into 3. First body paragraph about the first view. In the second body paragraph, you can write about the opponent's view or the second view. And in the third body paragraph, you can write about your own opinion. You can support any particular view or you can stand in between. Okay, so try to give reasons behind your opinion in third body paragraph. And in conclusion, you can just restate your main points along with your opinion. So that's regarding the structure. So you can just go through the points. So that's all about the morning slot review. I hope you all attended well, and I will publish the listening and reading answers if I get the complete answer means. So thank you so much and stay tuned. I will be back with the evening slot review as soon as possible. Thank you.